Okay, VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. We have a new one. I've been doing lots of these funny ones lately, if you guys haven't noticed, but this one I thought would be pretty cool. And the main
really
reason is,
serious.
yeah, I mean, to be honest, Brad has been asking for this for so long. He's been asking for a way to get Clippy into VS Code, and now you can do that.
That's right. We're talking about Vscode-pets, which puts a pet into your VS Code window that will run around, that you can play with, and it includes Clippy Jr.,
Yeah,
which I guess Microsoft's okay with this because they put it in their marketplace. No
Maybe.
copyright strike.
Yeah.
So anyways, you can throw a little pet into your window and have it there. So if you don't have a pet at home already doing this in your actual office, you can have it on VS Code now.
Yep. That's pretty
My favorite
funny.
part is there's a documentation site for this. I thought it was just like, install and go. But no, because once you have your pet, you can change your pet, play with your pet, add additional pets, throw a ball, add themes. There's stuff. So enjoy a little bit of a distraction when you need it.
Yeah, I thought it was pretty funny. And like I said, I don't know why, but Brad loves Clippy. And so I'm surprised that he hasn't got this one already installed. But anyway, so a bit of fun, but it's kind of cute. To be honest, my kids would probably code more if there were pets in there too. So,
they'd at least have VS Code open more. I don't know if they'd code more.
That's a good question. Good point. Yeah, I'm not sure either. That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. Brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.